Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is July 31st on a Monday, and looking real quick at the SPY here, we had that ugly day on Thursday, and then followed by a little inside spinning top day, gapping up a little bit this morning. Be interesting to watch to see if we can take out that Thursday high there at the open. But nonetheless, let's take a look at some opportunity because I'm still seeing a lot of opportunity. China with that big move over the last couple of days. I think you got to keep an eye on this Momo. It has been lagging. Not sure why, but I think there's a real chance that this is going to attempt that 1089 high right there. I am already in this, but one to watch to add above this, let's call it 1090. Another one to keep an eye on is solar DQ. And now this is under pressure. It's in a downtrend. It's below its moving averages, but it could be a sympathy move with a move we've seen in China lately. And plus, if First Solar can continue its upward trajectory after the earnings call and the movement it had on Friday, it may get a sympathy play on that DQ in the solar sector and the China sector. Uh, Let's see. SOFI, I think SOFI had earnings this morning, and it is gapping up above this range here. This let's call it the 2-month high. This could be one that opens up and takes off real quick. It could sell off, but anyway, I think it's one to watch the first 30 minutes to see if it can hold that range high there. For those that like the small cap, HYPR is setting up nicely. Just a $3 stock, but nonetheless, I like that setup. Nice little wedge there. Think you got to give it above that 310 level. And that's it, guys. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.